Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Welcome to shareelynPw, etc. Today we are going to make another quick and easy dish. It's very simple and it's delicious. So let's go started. So our main ingredients, we have 1 pound regular ground beef. Okay. We're gonna need 1 egg. We also need some bacon. Okay, and few slices of cheddar cheese, and of course our spices. So we have here 2 garlic cloves finely chopped, at least a tablespoon of finely chopped white onion. I have another 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, and then around 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and this is 1 green onion chopped, and of course our freshly ground black pepper, and it's 1 teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. So all these fresh herbs, you can skip it if you don't like fresh herbs. You can just use chopped garlic and chopped onion, but since I like the freshness of the herbs, I will be adding those herbs. And so this is optional. Those herbs are optional for you guys. So let's go just mix it all up. All right, so let's add our egg. Okay, and then we'll just add everything in. There's black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, garlic, onion, parsley, cilantro, and chopped green onion. So we'll just mix this all up. That's how easy and fast this recipe is. You just mix everything up. Okay. I'm using my hand. My hand is clean. I washed it. Okay. It's better to use our hands than just using something else to mix this up. So there's a lot of version of this dish, and this is my version. I added a lot of fresh herbs. Fresh herbs really add up some flavor, more flavorful actually, compared to just garlic and onion. Some people even just used salt and pepper and that's it, but I love extra flavor on my meat. There you go. I think this is all mixed up properly. Next we're going to portion this. We'll try to portion at least 6 meatballs. We're going to form a ball out of this mix. So we'll try 6 pieces first for now. We'll see if it's gonna work, and then we'll just try to balance out all the portions. Okay. All right. I made 6 meatballs right now. Okay. Next step, our meatball, we're going to flatten this up. Okay, just like that. And then we're going to add our cheese. So this cheese is around 1/4 inch thick and maybe around 2.5 inch long. So we're just gonna add that in the middle of the meat, and then we roll it up, cover the cheese just like that. Okay, so there we go. Here's our bacon. Then we'll start to rub this one. Okay, I guess one is enough for one meat. Okay, go. Hey guys, this is all done. It's all wrapped with bacon. Now we are going to transfer this into a baking sheet and bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. We're going to flip it halfway, so after 15 minutes we're going to flip it on the other side, so it's going to be evenly cooked. So there you go. Okay. Okay guys, 15 minutes is up, so we're going to flip our meat to the next side. And we're going to stick this back into our oven. So here we go guys, this is it, fully cooked ground beef wrapped with bacon, or wrapped in bacon. So this is perfect served with some salad. So in my case, I'm going to have this with some arugula and avocado salad. And if you want your bacon a little bit more crispy, you can go ahead and leave it a few more minutes. For me, this is perfect and it's good enough and it's fully cooked. So yeah, let's serve this with some salad. Perfect. Really good. Nice, juicy, tender. Seasoning is perfect. Perfect with the salad. Yummy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this recipe and give this a try. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and put a comment down below. And please don't forget to press the notification bell down below to get notified every time I have a new video. Thank you so much and take care. God bless and see you next time. Baboosh.